out of rehearsals.
I can't believe we're still here at night.
Yeah, being at school during the day is enough.
Quiet! Just because you find that life's not fair doesn't mean you need to complain about it. Now, where would Gid have written down next year's musical?
Someone's coming. Get into the classroom. Phew, that was close. Hey, I don't think you should be touching that.
Hang on, what's happening to your face?
Guys, what's happening?
He's green.
We're gonna go get help.
No, we have to find out what the musical is first. Come on.
And then we'll degreenify you.
Musical books? Maybe Gid used them for ideas.
Ugh, I hate books.
Well, consider yourself at home. The musical could be any of these.
Who's eating in the library?
Miss Morse.
Baruch Hashem, that was close.
Too close.
Let's raise a glass to freedom.
Hang on, why are we even here?
Well, maybe Gid left his planning notes here.
Wow, I've never been in the pack when it's this empty before.
Don't get too distracted. We don't have much time left.
Never mind that. Ladies and gents, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
We have to go.
Don't rain on my parade. There's a million things I haven't done, but everyone deserves a chance to fly.
Be careful.
Fly!
No!
We have to be back in rehearsals in 2 minutes.
But we're no closer to finding next year's musical.
And what are you doing roaming the corridors at this hour?
We're just trying to find out next year's musical.
Gid won't tell us.
Will you tell us?
So much time and so little to do.
Huh?
Sorry, strike that, reverse that, follow me. Close your eyes, make a wish, and become a friend.
Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. Lumpa, Dumpidi-Du, jetzt wird es tragisch,